Just go forward a bit. You've got a door open. Right, just stop. How's that? I think it's the one that was here. Yeah, that's probably what it was. So, safe tunes. See you later.
Interview.
How did it go?
Now that was a really good handover, that was. It was a 2.5 hour handover, but that's a really nice van. And the guys had it, let's just come out the way. The guys had a van before, good handover, he knew exactly all about the van. Nice van. I'm sorry, see that one go, that's a really nice van. So the plan now is auto sleeper. Let's get that in position and on to the next one. As one motorhome camper van leaves, it's time for another one. We've got to get the next one into place and get that one all set up, get it all cleaned out, get it all ready now for the next customer. And it's relentless, it just never stops. So we have the auto sleeper, I'll just help him move it in place. And there we have the auto slip assembled. It's only a few months old. Gorgeous van, and the auto slipper just hasn't changed in design or style. Obviously it's got a little bit more modern, but yeah, nice van. Let's crack on. You ready now?
Yeah, it's on.
Busy. Weather report for the day. It's warm. It's not hot, but it's warmish to hot.
No,
Are you happy with that, Em?
No.
What then?
It's cloudy, it's windy.
Look, there's 2 clouds up there.
Quite a few.
Alright, there's 4.
Yeah.
Right, where are we up to anyway? Auto sleeper. That's all checked off now. We're just finally just going through, just making sure that's ready to go out. We're well in on the Adrian motorhome to checking off, and we've just finished off the little Heimer. Shall we have a look at little Heimer?
Alright.
Really popular vans, these camper vans, these Heimer Airs Rock. Let's have a nosy inside. And I've just finished cleaning it off as well. I haven't really, Emma's done that. So let's have a quick nose inside. So as you can see, you've got your bench seat with your table, 2 burner hob, you've got your sink, and I really like the washroom, really nice washroom. So push, and there you go, look at that. We've got the pull-out shower as well, cassette toilet, and then at the back, these all pull down to make the large bed, which is a good size, and it packs a lot of punch in. We've just had a van come in. New van coming. That doesn't work, does it? What's funny?
That!
New van, so let's go and have a look at the van we've just had in. Can't be serious, can we really? We can't go. And today at the Caravan and Campers, it's been a hard day working. Everybody's sweating, working. Anyway, look what we've had in. An Aldi Signature 115. It's, I think it's under 6 metres. Nice colour. Let's have a nosy inside it. So we're getting 2 bench seats, again, which will make up into a double. We've got storage above. Nice big skylight, that is. Really nice big skylight. Do you oh, look at this. It's another berth there. It's the size of that wardrobe. We've got solar in there as well. A quick nosy inside. We've got the combined shower and toilet. And then what I really like, this is nice. This is classy. Nice classy look. Look, we've got the 3 burner hob, hot plate, grill, oven, fridge. Look at that nice built-in microwave. That's nice. I like that. Good size. And then moving over here, you've got a bit more prep room as well. Nice drawers there. Cupboard. Oh, we've even got an extractor fan as well. Look at that. So I used to love tractors, you know. I collected loads of tractors. I just collected loads of them. I had hundreds of them, and I stopped. Just stopped. I just stopped. Do you know why?
What?
I became an extractor fan. Moving on anyway. So let's crack on, we've got plenty to do, and we'll see you in a bit. And it's coming thick and fast today. Here's the third van we've had in, little new Venture Compact. It's on a 13 plate, let me just check. Yeah, 13 plate. She's back in again. The other people have part exchanged it again. I love this little compact. Let's just have a look at it for you. Ooh, is that opened? About locking them all. So look at this. Everything you want for camper van in here. Nice little compact van. So this will pull out here to make a double bed. Look at this. We've got water, 2-burner hob. We've got the fridge here. We've got a bit of storage above, storage here as well. What a great little compact camper van for either one person or just two of you. And I think we've got this reasonably priced as well, this 13 plate. So let me double check. I don't want to say it's 2D when it's not. Yeah, £21,000 this one is. And it's a 2013, 52,000 miles. So what a great starter van for someone to just get out and about and out in the countryside, especially when we've got weather like this. Anyway, I need to do some work.